Hi, this is Brett Ridgway with 50biggestwebsitemistakes.com, and today we're going to talk about a topic that's a little bit more technical. It's our mistake number 24, which is titled Headline HTML. When laying out a web page, many marketers neglect to use the correct HTML tags with their headlines and their subheadlines. Yeah, that may sound very technical, but it really isn't, and can make a big difference in your search engine rankings. Many times people set their entire page as normal paragraphs and don't designate the headlines differently. Now here's what we mean. If you look at the code view of many web pages, you would see something like before the beginning of a paragraph, a less than sign, the letter P, and then a greater than sign, and that's indicating that a new paragraph is about ready to begin. Then at the end of that paragraph is a similar HTML code, which is a lesser than sign, a forward slash, the letter P, and then the right hand or the greater than sign. What many marketers do is they use the same coding before their major headlines and their subheadlines. And this costs them search engine rankings because the code that the search engines are looking for is an H1 tag before your main headline and an H2 tag before your subheadlines. So if your headline was something like learn the hidden secrets to writing award-winning headlines by using the same strategies top internet marketers use, just prior to that you would have a less than sign H, then the letter 1, and then a greater than sign. And at the end of that headline, you'd have a closing HTML code, which would be a less than sign, a forward slash H1, and then the greater than sign. And that's a little bit technical, but your website guys can do it for you easily. But just make sure that you, by using the proper H1 and H2 tags, to designate where your headline and subheadlines are. By adding the appropriate H tags, the search engines can quickly determine the importance of the text over a regular paragraph text, and it will make a big difference in your overall rankings. Now obviously you only want to use the H1 tag for the headlines and H2 tag for each subheadline thereafter. But H1 and H2 tags are very important for search engine rankings. For more great website tips, please visit our site at 50biggestwebsitemistakes.com.